This is baby Zion. Enjoying his binky. He was pulling it out of his mouth and then he gets upset and cries. And looks at me accusingly. Look how little he is. It's my hand. I have a feeling he might throw up, so. Because he ate too much? Yeah, he ate a bunch. He did throw up once. Will he wear that? Will he wear that? It matches his outfit. His little dinosaurs. He's all submissive. It's like, I'll just go with the flow.